Top 7. Best Bushcraft Knives. Serious outdoorsmen know that a dependable bushcraft knife is one of the most crucial items in a survival bag. Number 7. B.O.B. Brothers of Bushcraft, a group of wilderness enthusiasts from all over North America. These guys have experienced survival challenges in rainforests, dry deserts, and frigid icelands. That's when they came up with the Fieldcraft model. Holding an edge than regular 1075 steel. Comfortable and offers a secure grip. A ferro rod effectively and safely. Number 6. Condor CTK 232 4.3 HC Walnut Handle. Most admired ones on the market. This is understandable when you realize that the history of Condor tool and knife can be traced back to 1787 in Solingen, Germany. It has a nice walnut wooden handle. More affordable materials for blades. Various camping utility tasks. This knife feels solid in your hand. Number 5. SELKIRK Fixed Blade Survival Knife. If you don't mind that it's made overseas, you may want to take a look at the SELKIRK. Buck still oversees the entire manufacturing process, so what you get is a superb knife with an affordable price tag and the typical Buck durability. Made in the US like other Buck knives. Buck knives lifetime warranty. Steel refers to high carbon content. Number 4. Morakniv Bushcraft Carbon Fixed Blade. Knife maker brand that has been in the business since 1891, and it sure does seem that they've learned a thing or two about manufacturing fantastic knives over the years. What will truly astound you is that they offer these fantastic knives at fantastically reasonable prices. The blade edge is sharp. The surface without getting stuck. Even in cold and wet conditions. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Bushcraft Knife or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Fallkniven F1 Survival Knife, but they use that time for extensive testing in the field through extreme conditions and temperatures. Whether it is a freezing winter night or the heat of a noontime summer day, the F1 was built to last. And if this is not enough to impress you, it holds a sharp edge very well. The handle offers a safe and secure grip. Same time it feels nice and comfy. Number 2. Bushcrafter 162 Knife earned a reputation for quality. Based in Oregon, their manufacturing equipment operates in tolerances that you normally only find in the aerospace industry. While all their knives are of great quality, yet there's no doubt that you get full value. Offers a fantastic balance of toughness. This is a serious piece of gear. Use it to carve wood or split firewood. Number 1. Spyderco Bushcraft G10 PlainEdge. In the knife industry, and their knives are generally great. The Bushcraft G10 is the result of a collaboration between Spyderco, the Bushcraft specialty website bushcraftuk.com, and Bushcraft expert Chris Claycomb. The full tang blade is fantastic. A sharp edge exceptionally well. The grip has been ergonomically designed. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Bushcraft Knife or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.